Okay, good morning, Math 8. I want to start this video actually at the end of the previous video. So just reminding us what happened with this problem about Jacob and the broccoli and the zucchini he was buying for a large group, in case you didn't get to the end of the last video. So go back to these task statements if you still have them. I just want to review it a little bit because your first question, your homework today, is a very similar situation to this. It's in fact the same 5 questions about a different situation. So I just want to remind you how we figured out which line is which. Because you'll be given both lines, because I can't really grade you on making graphs. So which line is which is an important question. So we have, unfortunately, like a purple and a blue line. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight one of the lines, if I can find my highlighter. And that way we can differentiate between the lines. So I'm just going to highlight this one here. And like just for no reason. So basically, I want to figure out which situation is line A, which situation is the line that's highlighted. Is it representing, ooh, weird. Is it representing the 10 pounds of broccoli he can buy? Is it 10-pound combinations? Or is it combinations that cost $17? And we figured that out by testing points. We have to test a point and see if it represents 10 total pounds or if it represents $17. All right, and just a reminder that zucchini costed $1.50 per pound. And broccoli costs $2 per pound. So we're gonna pick any points. I'm gonna pick this nice bold dot right here because it has nice friendly numbers, 4, 6. I'm testing that highlighted line. So 4, 6. Is that a 10-pound combination? Oh my goodness, 10 pounds? Or is it $17? So we can figure out by adding it. Is 4 plus 6 equal to 10? Yes, so it's a 10-pound combination because 4 plus 6 equals 10. And I can prove it's also not a $17 combination because a $17 combination would have to add to $17. So let's see, X is zucchini and Y is broccoli. So I should make sure I know that. And zucchini, as we know, is $1.50 per pound. So 4 times 150. And I'm going to add that to 6 pounds of broccoli, which is 6 times 2. How much does that cost? Well, 4 times 150 is $6. And 6 times 2 is $12. So that would actually be an $18 combination. That'd be over budget. So it's not $17. So we know that every point on the highlighted line is a 10-pound combo. And remember, the solution to the system, the point that gets us both $17 spent and 10 pounds of veggies, is the intersection point. Don't tell me it's intersection point. Tell me what is that point. It is the point 6, 4, because that's the x, y value that meets both of them. 6 plus 4 is 10, and 6 times 1.5 is $9, and 4 times 2 is $8. So $9 on zucchini and $8 on broccoli gets us $17. So just remember that as you answer the first question in your exit slip today, because as a reminder, things are being graded, okay? I'm going to try to grade everything. If there's an assignment people do really bad on overall, I might not. But assume everything you do is graded, all right? So the rest of the video is going to focus on previewing the problems you'll see in your exit slip. I'm going to give away some answers, I will be honest. There's a couple answers in here. But overall, it's just going to preview the problems, make sure you have an understanding of what's going on. So follow through. There are certain questions where I will know if you watched the video or referred back to it, because some of the answers come straight from the video. So AJ is in charge of buying packages of chocolate eggs and jelly beans for the local Easter egg hunt. He has to buy 9 total bags of candy. He has a budget of $24. So we got 9 total bags of candy and a budget of $24. So those are our 2 lines. And he knows that a package of chocolate eggs costs $3 and a package of jelly beans costs $2. So we have to look at which line is which. So we look at point A. It's on the solid line. So does it represent 9 packages of candy, or does it represent a combination that would cost $24? So you want to write the ordered pair for A. The ordered pair for A is 2, 9. So you have to think about, let's see, it's 2 eggs and 9 beans. Now, you have to think about, does 2 plus 9 get you, does 2 plus 9 get you 9 bags? Or does, let's see, eggs cost $3 and beans cost $2. So does $3 for 2 bags of eggs and $2 per each 9 bag of beans, does that total $24? Which one is it? So you have to figure that out. And then do the same thing for point B. And that should tell you which line represents which. And one other combination, that's 9 total bags for part C. So which other combination could he buy that's 9 total bags? Like which point would that be on, which line? And then another combination that costs $24 but does not total 9 bags. So another combination on that line that represents the money that costs $24. And you can really trial and error. Like if I was like, maybe he'll buy like, I don't know. Maybe he'll buy like, I don't know, let's see, so eggs are $3 each. And beans are $2 each. So maybe he'll buy, I don't know, maybe he'll buy 8 packages of eggs and no beans. He could write that. He could buy that. And then the last one, how many can he buy such that he spends $24 and gets 9 total packages? That's my solution to the system, which is the intersection. This is the first question in your exit slip. If you get the intersection point wrong, like, I don't know what to tell you. The first question's worth 5 points, and this is the answer to it. Okay? So please make sure you're following along. The solution point is the intersection point. That's the point where he can spend all his $24 and get 9 total packages of candy. All right? That's enough preview for that problem. There should be no problem. I want to spend a bit more time previewing the next one just because it's not like more confusing, but it's a different application. This is unfortunately a true story about my life with my children. So Mr. Robideau's son Theodore does not like to eat, but he does like feeding other people food. He likes picking up with a fork and putting it in your mouth. So Mr. Robideau came up with a game to make Theodore eat his dinner. For each bite of banana he ate, Theodore got to feed his dad 1 bite of food. So 1 bite of banana is 1 bite of food. So he gets the banana and he gets to feed me. But then for each bite of chicken nugget he ate, so if he ate a bite of chicken nugget, he then gets to feed his dad 2 bites. And in total, this is guessing because I don't remember actually, in total he fed his dad 32 bites of food. Okay. So we're going to let B represent the number of bites of banana Theodore ate, and C represent the number of bites of chicken nuggets Theodore ate. So we know, from what I underlined in purple, a bite of banana was 1 bite of food. So he gets to do 1 bite of banana, or 1 bite of food per bite of banana. And chicken nuggets, he gets to feed his dad, again, 2 bites of food per bite of chicken nuggets. And all of that totaled 32 bites of food. All right? So that's our equation there. So which ordered pairs represent solutions? We want to pick numbers and think, all right, would they work in there? So we're just going to try some numbers. Let's say, all right, let's say he fed his dad, like, I don't know, 6 bites of banana. Or I'm sorry, if he eats, so Ted eats 6 bites of banana. Let's figure out how many bites of chicken nugget he must have eaten. All right, so he had 6 plus 2 bites per chicken nugget gets us 32 bites of food total. So that means if we solve our equation, he must have fed his dad, or I'm sorry, he must have eaten 13 bites of chicken. 6 bites of banana and 13 bites of chicken. All right, so 6 comma 13 is one solution point. And then what if he doesn't eat his chicken at all? What if this kid does not eat chicken? What if he ate 0 chicken bites? Well, that would mean that C equals 0. So we'd have to figure out, all right, 1B plus 0 equals 32. And that means he must have taken 32 bites of banana then, because 1B equals 32. So following along, you should have a couple answers already. Theodore ate 2 more bites of banana than he did chicken nugget. Write an equation to represent this. So he eats 2 more bites of banana than he did chicken nuggets. Well, that means, how are B and C related? They're not the same. He ate 2 more bites of banana than he did chicken nugget. That means if I take chicken nugget and increase it by 2, that'll get me B. Because let's say he ate, like, I don't know, like 8 bites of banana. 8 is 2 more than 6. So he must have eaten like 6 bites of chicken or something. So this should give you a really good start. This is the same graph you'll see on your form. The lines are just colored. Banana went on X, nugget went on Y. Hopefully that helps. Just take a bit and work through it. Don't just submit this real quick. Go back, look through it again. Ask me clarifying questions. It is all being scored. So please do your very best. If you have a question, just hold off on submitting it for a bit. Leave the tab open. Don't worry about it. You should have the video open in one tab and the form open in another. Don't be like exiting out of the video. Leave it open so you can refer back to it. All right? So best of luck and email with questions.